Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you, Shobnam?
Yes, I'm fine. You?
How are you? Yes, I am also fine. Okay, let's start our session.
Yes. At first, Patil sir.
Uh,
We are going to Patil sir.
Okay. I have talked with him. He will just join.
Okay.
He just called me, and we will just join within no time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, light off করে দাও তো ইয়ে করতেছে
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Okay, we start. Today our fourth
Hmm.
session we start. Alhamdulillah.
Now this is our fourth session. Inshallah, we will going to
Yes.
complete.
Yes.
That is the zero hunger. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Had Mr. Patil Sir joined?
Yes, Patil sir today fast.
No. I have called him now. So he told me that yes, sir, I'm ready.
Yes.
I am also not ready. I am waiting for you. We will decide our time in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon of India and 4 of your Bangladesh. We will daily we will start our session
Okay.
in the afternoon.
Okay.
So we will get that means the whole day and whole night for preparation now. Hmm. Today you are looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
Absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. You are looking absolutely.
Thank you.
Hmm. You are most welcome. Are you enjoying this session or not?
I'm enjoying every time.
Okay. So how do you, Padil sir? Hello.
Hello, Patil sir. Unmute yourself. Okay. Patil sir, hello.
Hello, Padil sir. Do you hear me? Am I audible to you, Mr. Padil? I think he haven't joined yet.
Wow, join. But
Um,
microphone is unmute, Patil sir.
Okay. So is it visible to you, Mr. Padil?
Yes, I will
Are you
visible
visible?
here. Yes, I visible,
Uh,
Patil sir.
but we
But I am
hmm.
not here, Patil sir.
Okay. So unmute. Shabnam, what about that videos of 3 session? You
Yes,
haven't sent
yes.
me.
Okay. Yesterday I have some problem. Video are
Hmm.
different folder and audio are different folder. Then
Hmm.
all day I am working this year, and now okay. But timing
Uh,
is hard. Our 35 minutes, 60 minutes.
hmm.
Today's then I start first. If
Uh,
today's 40 minutes is over, then you will join again. Same
Another meeting.
same link. No, same today.
Shobnam,
Yes.
Shobnam, listen to me. What is happened actually? Our honorable Mr. Sonone Sahib of our India. So
Yes.
he told me that you should send a daily video of daily sessions. So I told him that I haven't recorded. My colleague partner has recorded that video. So I haven't sent him a single video yet. So he told me whether you are doing a session or not. How can I get know? So please send me the video. So I request him, sir, whenever my colleague partners will send me the
Okay.
video now,
Okay.
so
Okay.
I will send it to him because he is a
Okay.
dignitary now of our India Constitution. So we have to send it to him as our session is over.
Okay.
So after our session over now,
You
because
send me.
that is the only proof of our session now we have done or not. So they didn't get any idea whether we are doing our session or not. They are in a puzzle. So that's why they asked to send the video. So please send me as your earlier
Okay.
possibility. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So shall we continue our session, Shobnam?
Okay. Patil sir. was not hear me. Patil sir, please unmute you. Unmute yourself. Patil sir, we
Hello.
are not hear you.
Hawk Hogan, Hollywood Hawk Hogan. Have you watched WWF? Shabnam?
Yes, you
Hello.
start. Can you start?
I start. Hello, Mr. Padil. Am I audible to you, Padil?
Yes,
Vishwanath.
it's visible, but not sound. My husband saying his prayer. Asur.
What your husband?
My
Huh?
side, my side, in my front.
Okay.
He's saying
Your
prayer.
husband is. Acha, he's praying. He's praying. Which prayer in the afternoon?
Asur.
Asar namaz.
Yes, Asur
Asar
namaz.
namaz.
Yes.
So Azan is over there. Azan is over.
Yes, Asur is over already.
Are you not praying 5 times
Yes,
prayer?
I am
Shabnam?
praying, but now I am joining in session. How can I pray? If finished our session, then I will
Okay.
finish my
Nice,
prayer.
nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice. So, will you please ask Mr. Patil to audible?
Can we start? Patil sir.
Any technical problem for Patil side?
Please, Rapani sir, you call Patil sir and tell him you are we not here. Please, you call him.
Hello, Shabnam.
Yes.
Hello. Ha.
Yes.
Do you listen to me? Hmm?
Yes.
I called him. He told me that he is listening to all both of us, but he can't listen to him.
Okay,
We are.
Amani sir, you start.
I start the session. Okay, so good afternoon to one and all. Mr. Shobnam from Bangladesh, my colleague, and Mr. Vishwanath Patil from India. It's a pleasure to have our fourth session. And today I'm going to conduct the fourth session. The name of the topic is SDG number 2, that is the zero hunger. And another point, that is a typical food in your region. That means in our region. So I'll start the first point, that is the typical food in our region. So being Indian and being the Maharashtrian. So in Maharashtra, in India, Shobnam, in India, we have different kinds of foods as different state. So India is divided into state. You know, in our Maharashtra state, then Gujarat, then Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. So there are overall 22 states in India. So all the states having their own food according to the region. So in our Maharashtra, we have special typical food like a bhaji, you know, bhajia, mung bhaji, batata bhaji, and then we have masala vada pav there, also misal pav, you know, misal pav, that husal and pav and mixture of the shev also there, pav bhaji is also there, and pohe, upma and shira, sabudana vada and khichdi. So these are the typical food of our region. That means in our Maharashtra in Nasik district. If you think about the Nasik district now, so you will in Nasik there is a special dish, that is a vada pav. Misal pav is very famous in Nasik, and another specialty of Nasik is thalipit. You know, shabudana vada, that is a shabudana vada, and you make the thali, and then you will have to make the peat. That is, you can eat a shabudana vada. So we have different kinds of food in our Maharashtrian. We have special food like a puran poli. You know Puran Poli, Shabnam? Do you know Puran Poli?
Oh.
Puran Poli is making about a sweet that we have chana dal. You know chana dal?
Chana dal, yes,
Chana,
yes.
chana dal. So after grinding very on batta or seal in mixer chana dal, we make a sweet, and that some dough of sweet of chana dal. Then we have some chapati, and we put that sweet chana dal, and then we put another chapati, and we make a very sweet rolling dish that is called puran. That is called puran poli. It's sweet dish, and we have to eat with amras. You know mango juice.
Yes,
Shabnam, mango juice. So that mango ras is eaten by puran poli. So this is the special dish of Maharashtrian. We have pitla bhakar. We also have pitla bhakar, means we have bajri bhakar, and then pitla, that is called made of besan. So this is a very popular dish in our area. So name and describe the popular dishes. So there are so many popular dishes in India also. As you know that in nowadays all the Chinese foods has that is famous in all over the world. So chicken chili, then chicken tandoori, chicken tikka, chicken biryani, and chicken korma, as well as mutton biryani, mutton korma, and then beef also is there, very special kebab, and then there are so many things. So I am a specially foodie person. I like non-veg foods more than the vegetable, but I am also a vegetarian. I am not a fully non-vegetarian person, but I like veg also, because that pav bhaji is also I like very much. Shev bhaji is also there. Then we have paneer, palak paneer. There are so many vegetarian. Dal chawal, I like dal chawal also. My favorite dish is chicken tandoori. I really like. I am a fond of chicken tandoori. So you can give me 2 or 3 more chicken now tandoori. I can eat, because it is my favorite dish. So one of my favorite dishes is chicken tandoori. So food in your region. So I have, that means seafood is also I really like very much, because being a non-vegetarian, I like fish also. So in our region, we found warm fish. Then we have poplet. Then we have surmai. Then we have sorry, rawas. Rawas is also a very famous fish in our region. Then we have prawns. You know, prawns is a very famous seafood.
Bengali name chingri. Prawn.
Yeah.
Prawn fish.
Prawns. Then prawn fish. Then we have bamboo also. Then we have sukat.
I like
so these are the yes. So seafood is also very much very good in while we used to eat in fry item. So non-veg, chicken, mutton, and beef. Do you like beef, Shobna?
Yeah, I like beef.
Okay. So that you know that kebab by making a very good you roasted with the beef kebab, and then we have dishes like in Ramzan. We love to eat that khiri, kaliji, and again there are so many good dishes by fry we make in shiri and iftari. So in iftari we have so many dishes in roza. In Rozadar, in front of Rosa, there are so many dishes, and we love to eat that dish. Now, what are some of the ingredients? We used to make, green elaichi, hari elaichi, that is called.
Yes.
Then we have cumin seed, kali miri.
Yes.
Then we have long, we have dalchini. Then we have turmeric powder. Then haldi, mirchi. So all these ingredients are making non-veg as well as veg food. These are one of the most important ingredients. We call masala. It's a garam masala. So these are the form of garam masala, and we used to make non-vegetarian food very delicious and very lovable and enjoyable foods. We used to prepare with the help of this ingredient. Now, why do people eat your national food? Our national food is not a khichdi, but our national food is dal chawal. Then we have another that chapati is also there. Then vegetarian food is also available in our India. As already I have mentioned that varan bhat, puran poli. So these are the sweet dish we used to make in amras in the form of dhondaya. In our Maharashtra, it is called a dhondaya. So that dhondaya belongs to the Akshay Tritiya. On the eve of Akshay Tritiya, we Maharashtrian people loves to eat lots of different kinds of mangoes. Shobnam, which mango do you like most?
Yes, I like mango.
Hello.
Yes.
Alphonse, that is called Hapusam, one of the king of mango. Alphonson, that is called Hapus. So these are the food ingredients we used to eat in our national food. National food belongs to the amras, again, puran puli.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Now I can hear you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Huh? I rejoined you in this meeting already. Okay. Just move on. Carry on.
So when do people eat your national food? Already I'm continuing this topic now. So there are so many different kinds of food in our Maharashtra. There are so many caste peoples, are so many different castes of peoples are living in Maharashtra. Even though their culture is different, Marwadi, Gujarati, then we have Tamil, and we have Muslims and Hindus, and there are so many sub-castes are there. So each caste have their own food of quantity. So being the Maharashtrian food, we love pitla bhakar, also then puran puli. Then we have chapati, dal chawal, dal bhat, rice. There are so many different kinds of dal we used to eat in our region. So national food is puran puli, amras. Now Akshay Tritiya is just over, and we the foodie people of Maharashtra have different kinds of that is called mangoes. The king of mangoes, Alfonso. That we have different kinds of ras is there, amras and puran puri. They already just enjoy because Akshay Tritiya is just gone. We will enjoy. So another point is it cheap or expensive to make? Yeah, it depend upon the food which you want to make. For example, if you want to make a non-veg, and if you want to make a dish of a goat, then mutton of goat. So mutton of goat is very that means goat mutton is very high here in India, 600 rupees per kg. So it is unaffordable for that middle class person to buy food. Instead of 1 kg mutton, people used to take chicken for 1 kg because it cost only 160 rupees per kg. So it is affordable for. So if you are making a vegetarian dish, it is very cheap. And if you are making sometime vegetarian dish is also going to be very expensive, because if you use that desi ghee, that is original ghee, that is called asli ghee. So, and then you can use the different, that paneer is very expensive. So these kinds of food, if you are making in vegetarian, so it will going to cost you. But as far as the non-veg foods are concerned, it is highly expensive. When you eat mutton as compared to beef and chicken, and fish are very again expensive. When you buy rawas fish or poplet fish, so it is very expensive. It is 800 rupees per kg. So common people is a very what we called can't be afford such a kind of a dish. So sometimes it is expensive and sometimes it is cheap. So is it healthy or unhealthy? Yeah, all the foods, what we intake, what we eat, whether it is a vegetarian, whether it is a non-vegetarian, are all the foods are healthy. It depends upon us now. So which kind of food we want to eat, and each food has its own importance. So it depends upon us. Yeah. So what do people drink with your national food? In our India, especially in Maharashtra, we the people love to eat tea. Tea is one of the special and famous drink in our Maharashtrian people. We have in our area, small area carries a small stall and hawkers of tea, and it's a very famous tea. Sometimes you can see nowadays there are a fashion of teas now. In 9th standard, being an English teacher, last year or this year also, I taught a lesson, the history of tea from China. Nowadays, tea has its own form. As we drink black tea, lemon tea, then white tea, there are different orange teas, and there are so many kinds of teas available in the market now. So we Indian people loves to eat drink tea with the national foods of our India. So what is your favorite food? Already I have mentioned, Shobnam, that I am a lover of non-vegetarian food, even though I like vegetarian. But being a non-vegetarian, I love, my favorite dish is none other than chicken tandoori is my one of the famous and favorite dish. I like chicken tandoori very much. Then food also, seafood is also there, and then mutton of a goat is also I really like, and sometimes I used to eat beef also. So this is my favorite dish. Now,
okay, great, sir.
How is your favorite dish prepared? Now, for example, I am also I am not a very good cook, but I am a cook also. I used to cook sometimes when I get a leisure time, and now lockdown. From last year, I have prepared so many dishes in our home, because I am a foodie. So yeah, I'll tell you the recipe of chicken tandoori. If you want to make a chicken tandoori, you can buy 1 kg chicken. Then you will have to chop by the churi or whatever it may be, the knife. You will have to make a chop, then clean it, and then put some turmeric powder, then garam masala, then a paste of ginger garlic, then a paste of chili is also, you can pour it, and you can pour some flour corns, and you can also pour some besan, and you can have to put that for 1 to 3 hours in our fridge for marinate. So after marinate, it will give a very nice essence and nice flavor. And after that, you can enjoy your chicken tandoori with the help of kolsa or whatever you have in your home. It depends upon you. If you don't have the what we call the tandoor in our home, so you can cook with your cooker also, or with the help of roasting also, and with the help of fry also. But chicken tandoori is that means very delicious while you are making him to roast. Roasting chicken tandoori is more delicious than fried chicken tandoori. So this is my favorite dish. Now how this I have prepared. I can also prepare biryani also, and dal bhat, varan bhat also. Any dish you ask me, I can tell you the recipe, and I can tell you the process how to cook it. So because I have wasted my lots of time in my kitchen due to the pandemic situation last year, I have got a leisure time and I can foodie person. I prepare so many dish. Again, I can also prepare that pitla bhakar also, then varan bhat. So I'm a very much fond of. Now this Akshay Triti has just gone. So we prepare puran puli with the amras. We also enjoy that food also. I am also a very good lover of shakari food, vegetarian. I like vegetarian. My favorite dish in vegetarian is dal bhat, and after that I like shev bhaji. Then with milk pour in it because it's Maharaja Shev Bhaji, which is very famous in Dhule district in that area. It is a very famous area there. The Shev Bhaji is there, and again I like that paneer masala with one of the favorite dish of my favorite of shakahari. So,
Okay, great, sir.
what do you usually eat? I usually eat shakahari food, chapati, then dal, then varan bhat again, then bhindi, then there are so many gawar, then palak, and all the bhajis also I like. In a week, one day I used to eat non-veg, whether it may be a fish, whether it may be a chicken, or whether it may be a mutton, whether it may be a beef, depend upon the menu situation. So I usually eat shakahari food, and I am a even though I am a non-vegetarian, but daily non-veg I can't eat because it is very what we called very hot and very difficult to our body to survive such a kind of a food. So it is very dangerous for me to eat non-veg daily. So I used to eat uh, vegetarian food daily usually. So this is the point, first point, typical food in our region. Now I'll just switch off to our next section, that is the about zero hunger. Now it is one of the basic needs nowadays. We all the Indian or we all the world people now fighting with the hunger. You know very well about the Somalian people. They even can't get the full stomach food nowadays. But thinking about the Somalia, I just want to tell a truth of our Indian people also. In our India also, there are so many people who can't get their daily food. The stomach full food they can't afford. Even
Yeah,
the
it's
beggars.
about 30 crore people, sir.
Yeah,
30
yeah,
crore
yeah.
people are not getting
Uh,
the proper food. And we
that
have
is
to
the
suffering
condition.
for malnutrition.
Malnutrition is also there, one of the basic important
Yeah, yeah,
point,
yeah,
as
yeah,
already
yeah, yeah.
mentioned the point. So I'm just talking about my local places. When I went to the bus station or railway station, there are so many beggars, they can't eat properly. So they don't have the enough food, the nutritional food, sufficient food they can't get. They just eat whatever they get, whether it is a steel one, whether it is a fresh one, or whether it is whatever they you give them, they just want to eat because they are so much that means hunger. Their people are so much hungry and they can't get enough food nowadays. So this is the really one of the basic point of our country, or not our country, in a whole over we are sitting in a same boat. All the whole world, they are suffering from this point. Now sufficient and healthy food should be made available to everyone. This is the what we call important points of our zero hunger. So this should be given to each and every that means the needy person from the world. And as already this point has been mentioned, so from 2020 to 2030 they have committed that they will remove the what we call zero hunger from the world. I don't think it will going to be, but thinking positively, if they decided, it may be, inshallah it may be, but they are trying. That is important. Now SDG 2 has 8 target and 14 indicators to measure this progress. So we are just talking about on a zero hunger. So this is one of the best topic we have to discuss. Globally, 1 to 9 people are under nourished. So this is the today's condition now. And as you know that 45% of death in children under the 5, that is 3.1 million children per year. This is the ratio of people dying in the world due to the hunger. Such is the bad thing for us. Even though we, the people, we are qualified, we are teacher, but as far as our politicians also, they can't think over. If every person, if every person will think about their own region, their own tehsil, their own district, their own state. So it will going to be eradicated from the root, this hunger in no time. By 2030, and all form of malnutritional will be eradicated. Now, who say that? World Health Organization says that children growth among the under 5 years is having a very much affected with this point, that is the hunger. Now, prevalence of anemia in the women aged from 15 to 49 years by their pregnancy. Now, you can see that, hello.
Meeting 40 minutes is over. Patil sir and Rapani sir again join this link.
Okay.
Okay. If meeting is disconnect, then you will join again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carry
on.
Thank you. Shobnam.
Hello, sir.
Patil sir, boliye.
You have to give lots. Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Ma'am just disconnected. She told that already 40 minutes has been over. So please join after 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. You have give
Okay, Rapani sir, you start. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Sir. You give good information about the continental food of Maharashtra, and I like your taste, sir. Even
thanks,
I
thanks,
also
thanks
like your taste. That is a great one,
sir. One point. Just this is the last point. Then I will just going to sum up my session here. So after that, you or ma'am will just start your session. So my point is that the prevalence of the anemia in a woman age 15 to 49 years by pregnancy. Now you can see that this hunger really affected on the woman age of 15 years to 49. So due to their pregnancy period, so at that time, this condition, that means the condition of the hunger is affected to both the woman or the coming child. So we can make the lot of prevalence that prasar of this anemia, that is the ashaktapana, what we called in women due to their pregnancy, should be eradicated, the hunger. Now, agriculture is one of the basic thing that we can overcome, as we the Indian are agricultural people. We say that India is an agriculture country. Yes, we accept it from wholeheartedly. Now, but we can't give them so much prize. Even they are working very hard from early in the morning to the late night. All that peasant and all the farmers are really working very hard, but they can't get their enough money. How they work, due to their work, we can expect that their expectation that they didn't get the enough money. So that's why the condition of our farmer is so poor nowadays. So the government has to think over it and then provide ample opportunity to them to be overcome with this problem. So again, there are some till the local, national, international organizations they used to name, which are working in our India for the hunger. As we are a teacher, we know very well about the midday meal scheme in our school. So some of the students in our school, they to be speaking honestly, ma'am and Patil sir, they can't came to school for their education. They came for their dinner purpose only. Midday meal. This is we can't. That means this is the reality, and we can't run away from the reality. We have to accept the reality. This is the reality. So midday meal scheme is also going all around in our Maharashtra. Then Shiv Bhojan Thali. Now the Pitla Bhakar is also available. Shiv Sena, one of the upcoming very flourishing party of our Maharashtra. Now our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, is really doing very well. And it's appreciable. He's one of the best Chief Minister we have now yet till. and even though status they that pitla bhakar in just a junka bhakar in 5 rupees only. And the National Food Mission.
Nowadays it's a free, sir. Sir, nowadays that Shiv Bhojan is a free.
Yeah,
They didn't get anything.
Even though they can't take 5 rupees. Okay.
No.
Thanks for joining.
It's a free of cost.
National Food Mission is also available in our India. And then that another yojana, there are so many yojanas available for the hunger people in our country. So this is the point, and the current situation, as you know, that we are really suffering from the hunger in our area, in locality, as the rural or urban area. If you go there, you can see the current status. It is really going to be a very worst due to the pandemic situation from 2 years. So 7% of hunger has been increased, as already I mentioned for that. So now, what is the figure of hunger of our country? So it varies according to the country. So depend upon the country how they fight with the hunger. Now the steps are being implemented by our country to eradicate this hunger from the world by coming 2030. That means 2030. They have promised that they will eradicate this hunger from 2030 in no time. So it's going to be a pleasure to have that I have delivered this session, and it's thank you very much to Shobnam from Bangladesh and Patil sir from India to listening me presenting this topic on session 4 today, zero hunger as well as typical food in our region. So thank you very much, all of you. Will you please give me the feedback, Shobnam and Patil sir? How do you like
that is
my
a good
session?
information.
Please give me the feedback and also send me the video. Thank you, sir. Please
sir, such a video is recorded. Such a video is recorded, but we didn't found that in which files it was recorded.
No, sir. Patil sir. Yesterday I have telephonic conversation with Mr. Sonali sir. So he told me that you have to send it as you complete your session, because how can we let we know that you are doing your session that means regularly or not. So have you finished the session? So please send the video to me as he just ordered me.
Okay, it's recorded. It's a record. Ma'am, such videos are recorded, but we didn't find out in which file it's recorded. Because the recording we have.
Documents. Yes, documents.
Documents. Okay. Now it's my humble request to both of you, Mr. Patil as well as Mr. Shobnam. So please send it as your earliest possibility. Thank you very much.
Okay, Apani sir, your presentation is too much. Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
We got
yes. Thank you. Our 40 minutes is over. Again, we will join 1 or 2 minutes, please.
Okay.
Please. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good afternoon from here.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
India and Bangladesh tele-collaboration session. Today is our 4th session. I start our session. Already, my another colleague, Sheikh Rabbani, is finished. Now I give he give a chance me. Okay, sir. I share my screen at first. Please, sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah. We have seen screen.
Okay, thank you. Today, our topic is 2 part. 1 part topical foods and second part is SDGs 2 zero hunger. At first, I discuss tropical food. The popular dishes are rice, fish, and dal. You know dal?
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
This is Bangali.
It's the same.
This is Bangali popular dishes. Every day we take
Okay.
rice,
Yeah.
fish, and dal and
Mhm.
vegetables.
Wow, wow, very good, very good.
And Bangladesh is also famous for its dessert.
Rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
Yes.
Oh,
Sweet
Rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, Rasgulla, Baba. Very fond of all the
Rasgulla.
Bengali mithai.
Yes.
Bengali mithai.
And Bengali mithai also most popular sweet dishes in India.
Yes.
Mhm.
We like very much in sweets.
Mhm.
It's made milk, sugar, and another things.
Mhm. Khawa, khawa.
Kawa.
Okay.
Okay. Popular dishes and ingredients are same to you and me. I think.
Yeah.
Green chili, onion, darchini. You know darchini,
Ginger, garlic
elat,
paste,
ginger,
chili paste.
red chili, green chili. Same are
Oh, they like
Same.
spices also.
same. Our
Good.
national food is hilsha. Bengali name is ilish. This is the
Ilish.
ilish curry. Ilish.
Ilish
Ilish
curry.
curry. Is
Ilish
it
curry.
vegetarian or non-vegetarian, ma'am?
Non-vegetarian.
Non-vegetarian.
Because there is a fish now. You will find
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Bangladesh or in Bengal, you will find fish is common.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fish is a common food of Bengal.
Hmm.
Ilsha food is most popular traditional Bangladesh dishes. First Pohila Boishakh in Bangla New Year. We take Ilsha fish. Ilsha fish is too much expensive for in Pohila Boishakh in Bangla New Year.
So how much, madam? How much is it cost for 1 kg?
1,000 near about sometimes high 1,000 high sometimes 1,000 low sometimes.
Wow, that means is average
so costly.
kg rate is 1,000.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have, I think, original poplet and original Ravas in our India.
Yeah.
Yes.
Patil sir.
And wow. That is a name kind of fish that we called it wow. It's just so lengthy, and it's come in a
Sevaiya, shurkurma.
Shemai.
Yeah.
It is healthy food. It is very healthy. It milk, sugar, milk. It is my special food for Eid ul Fitr or Eid ul Adha.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shurkurma.
Rabbani sir, you do you know Shemai Eid ul Fitr?
Yeah, I know.
Thank you.
Yeah. In Eid ul Fitr, we just enjoy.
Yes.
We have just enjoy this shurkurma. We have lots of dry fruits and milk. That dates, and then we will have almond, and we will have cashew nuts, and we have a pistachio, and all these things are mixed up. And in a milk, we used to make this shurkurma in our Eid ul Fitr. Yeah.
So, ma'am, can I say something about these two dishes? Sheer kurma. I had to enjoy in Eid period with my friend in my friend house. But it's just like a kheer.
Yeah. Next one.
Yeah, and that
next one. And kheer. This is kheer.
Yeah.
Bengali name Finni. Bengali name Finni.
Name is Kiki. Okay. And that Ravaya is just like Shevaya. Rabbani sir, do you know Shevaya?
Yes, I know very well. That we can.
It's just like Shevaya. Yeah, we have to enjoy it with Amrit. Puran. Okay, what it called, man?
Yeah.
Which kurma you have to show that?
Yes, kurma. Next one. I will see you.
Okay.
This is our special sweets item in Finni, Bangla name. and Jorda, Bangla name. This is
Jarda, Jarda, yeah.
in
Yes, we know.
sweets
The same
item.
name we have. Jarda.
Every Muslim in tested in the morning and go to Eid al prayer.
Eid al-Fitr.
Eid al
For
prayer.
prayer.
Okay.
Eid al-Fitr.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a Swedish.
Yes.
Yeah, sweet one.
At first taste sweet. Finni and
Yeah,
Jorda, Bangla name. Then
Finni and Jarda,
lunch
yes, yes.
in lunch, egg kurma, pulao.
Kurma.
Bangla name.
Pula.
Egg. We have just korma, chicken korma, na, sir. Sir.
Where
like
instead of
kurma.
chicken, we have to use egg. Yeah, kurma we need.
Yes.
Kurma
Yes,
and
egg
pulao.
korma.
Pulao.
Yeah.
Do you know pulao?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Biryani, yes. Same.
Yes.
Mhm.
And another one meat item,
Mhm.
Okay.
beef,
Chicken korma pulao.
chicken, and mutton biryani. Oh, chicken korma
Okay.
pulao. Chicken korma pulao.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And another item is kebab, curry, beef curry,
Curry
and
and kebab.
yes.
Big curry.
And the third one is a kebab.
Kebab.
This
Chicken
item
kebab,
is
yes.
our Pohila Boishak rice, panta bhat, Bengali name, rice mixed in water. This is called panta bhat. Rice mixing
Panta
water.
bhat,
This is called panta bhat. And
Panta bhat.
ilcha fish and bhatta, different potato, bean, green chili, red chili.
आपल्याकडे भरता नसतो का सर वांग्याचा भरता
brinjal bharta.
तसा भरता
We have to use, ma'am, you use potato, but
Yes,
and
yes.
we use brinjal.
Yeah.
We use brinjal.
Yes.
for our bharta.
In a winter season,
Yes.
in winter season in Maharashtra, bharit is the most favorite and available dish.
बाजरीची भाकर and भरीत. Yes.
Bajrichi bhakar and bharit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are very crazy about that bharat, bhakar and bharit.
Yeah, definitely.
This is our Bangla New Year's
भाकरीशिवाय
food.
आपलं पोटच भरत नाही.
Yeah.
Then national drinks, tea. Bangladesh
Yeah.
drink is national drinks of Bangladesh with government bodies such as Bangladesh Tea Board and the Bangladesh Tea Research Institute supporting the production
Green tea and black tea.
green tea, black tea, and tea mixed with
Lemon tea.
sugar and milk.
Yeah.
Middle tea is
In the
sugar
middle one.
in the middle one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And another drinks is mango juice, orange juice, and next one last is faluda.
Lemon juice.
Do you
Yeah,
know
yeah.
faluda?
Yeah. I know
Faluda.
Faluda. Very
Yes.
nice.
Yes.
It's a very good dish. We used to drink in Mumbai, in Gulshan, Iran.
Yes.
Oh, good.
I like very much in faluda.
Lassi.
Lassi is
Faluda,
a popular
lassi.
traditional drinks for Bangladeshi. It is very popular drinks. Can we visit in Bangladesh? Then I will.
Okay. We will enjoy lassi
Okay.
with your
Inshallah,
family. Okay.
Whenever,
If the time is come now,
in future, inshallah. Yeah, whenever in the future, inshallah, we will get a chance to visit Bangladesh. Definitely, we will
very
always
surely.
enjoy all this lovely food, man.
Yeah. And sir, we will arrange such a program after this pandemic situation. All the English teachers
Inshallah.
that in
Definitely,
telecommunications, we will arrange a trip.
Sir,
Our
we
Bangladesh
can also take
teachers
the-
friend also come in India, and we have to visit them.
Yeah.
They have to
yeah,
also
definitely.
come here first, and we will visit after.
We'll talk with Sonone Sahib about this project, inshallah.
Okay.
This is
Please
the
Okay, continue,
khichuri,
ma'am.
dal khichuri. Do you know dal khichuri?
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
yes,
It's a hodgepodge.
Indian culture. Yes, I like khichuri and Bengali like khichuri. Your
Yeah,
culture, Indian and Bengali culture are same also. I
Yeah.
Lagbag.
Same.
Because in our school also we used to prepare khichdi all the time.
Yes, midday meal.
Yeah, yeah. Midday meal.
Midday meal. Now I want to see a video. This beef curry. I like this, and my favorite dish. How prepared it? See.
Azan is also coming, sir.
Azan is good. Okay.
Azan.
I'll
It's 6 Azan, sir, in day or 4?
No, five time prayer.
Five.
Five time prayer. So this is
It's
third
a 4 time prayer, na?
one.
Third
It
one
is
or
called
fourth
as
one?
Asar Namaz.
It's a
Five.
4th one.
No, sir, 5 time. This is the third one. No,
Is
third
it?
one. Third
Is
one.
it third one? Third one. Okay.
Sir, favorite
This
dish
is third one,
prepared?
and after sunset, we have fourth one, and then in the early in the
Coming
night,
moon.
now at 8:30 we will have last one. That is fifth one.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Ah,
darchini,
Ma'am, you are talking about your favorite dish.
elach,
Okay.
longo,
Long,
tejpata,
yeah.
long, tejpata.
Clove.
Dalchini,
Tejpata.
Shajira, Ilaichi, long.
Yes. Are boiled in the water.
Oh.
Then
In
onion,
water or oil, ma'am?
Piyaj, onion,
Oh, yeah.
and frying in brown color.
You are baking it.
Yes. And ginger. Roshan. Do you know?
Roshan. What is the Roshan, ma'am?
Piyaj, Roshan.
Pyaz. Onion.
Yes, onion.
Okay. Onion.
Mix some water.
रोशन म्हणजे त्याला भाजून घ्यायची ती त्या प्याज आहे ना ती
Okay, okay.
कांद्याला थोडंसं लाल करून
जिरा.
घ्यायचं. That is रोशन.
Olive, green chili, red chili, salt, green chili, and mixing kosha dish masala.
Are you preparing this food, Shobnam?
Yes. This
This
is
is
beef.
your video.
This is beef.
This is your video, Shobnam.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's a beef or mutton?
Beef.
It's a beef.
Okay, beef.
Ma'am, this is your video. Are you preparing?
Yes. Every time I will prepare a beef curry. Beef
No.
curry.
But this video. So is it your
He
preparing
is
this
talking
video?
of
Are you taking this video from YouTube or are you preparing this one,
No.
Shobnam?
Yeah. I prepare it. When you come to Bangladesh, I prepare this beef and you enjoy it.
Is it your
Okay,
video?
okay.
Rabbani sir.
Is it your real? Shobnam, is it your real video?
Yes. Yeah. This is my real
Ah.
video.
Wow, nice one. It looks very nicely. And it is also, that means give me a chance that I can come there right now and eat this one. Showing very nice color.
Yeah. Sir.
तोंडाला पाणी आलं हो राव बघून.
Yeah, ma'am, it's a mouth-watering dish.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rabbani sir, do you like beef?
लागली
Yeah.
कलर.
Uh-huh.
पाटील त्याला लागली
Yeah.
असं झालंय.
Yeah, ma'am. It's a piping hot and mouth-watering dish, ma'am. You have to prepare.
Yeah, बिलकुल. Now, was it your pouring? Is it milk or it's a curd? Hello, Shobnam?
Yes. When I cook, my husband is recorded.
Okay.
No. What you have poured right now? Is it milk or is it curd?
Coconut milk.
Yeah, coconut milk. Yeah. You have to add coconut milk you have to add as a flavor. That why,
Flavor.
ma'am,
Yeah, and taste.
ma'am,
And make and bring taste.
कोकोनट मिल्क कसं काय होईल हो?
ते व्हाईट कलरचं असेल सर. ते व्हाईट असेल ना सर. कोकोनट असेल
अच्छा.
फक्त.
नाही नाही ते ना दूध असेल सर तो किंवा दही असेल त्यांना ते सांगता
हा, दही दही दही. ओके.
हा
Okay.
हे बघा हे
Yeah,
बनवलेलं
yeah.
आहे त्यांनी बघा.
Yeah, that one is it coconut oil, ma'am?
Yes. Coconut milk.
Oh, good. Okay.
बरोबर. हा ते त्याचं ते हे करून घेतलंय त्यांनी. बरोबर.
It's a coconut chutney, just like.
हा बरोबर बरोबर. आपण ते सांबळीच्या सगळं खातो इडली समोर नाही
Yeah,
का ते
yeah,
चटणी
yeah.
बनवतात
Chutney.
खोबऱ्याची बरोबर तशी ती वाटलेली चटणी बरोबर. चला लवकर बनवा ते पुढचं टॉपिक घ्यायचं आपलं मॅडम. मग प्लीज कॅरी ऑन मॅम.
Okay.
असं जर बनवत राहिलं संध्याकाळून जाईल आपलं.
अरे नाही बनवलं त्यांनी.
नाही पण
Ma'am, nice.
इतका वेळ लागला तर आपला डिश तयार
Okay.
झालं.
Second one.
नाईस मॅम क्या बात है.
It's a super.
शोभनम शोभनम.
And,
अरे
yes, sir. Yes,
it's
sir.
a very good. You have prepared really very practical one. You are very good. And you have prepared very nice dish, but we can't eat now. That is the problem.
Which problem, sir?
We can't eat now. You have prepared such a delicious food, but we can't eat.
Wow.
Ma'am, you have to. Ma'am,
If you came to
ma'am.
Bangladesh, then
Yeah, we will came and at that
Yes.
time we will eat it.
okay.
Okay.
My usually food is rice, fish, dal, bharta, beef, mango. Mango is my
Baapre.
favorite
But
fruits.
you have so many favorite, but we want just only one. Which
Yes.
is your favorite one? Which is your favorite one? Tell me the only one name.
Yes.
Your favorite dish.
Thank you, sir.
Shabnam. Tell me just one name. Only one name. Your favorite dish.
Beef.
Yes. Okay.
Khichdi.
Over. Now please carry
Beef
on.
khichdi.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Beef
Okay,
and
okay.
khichdi
Please-
my
please
favorite
carry on.
dish.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, please carry on. Please carry on.
Okay, sir. Part 2, Zero Hunger. National and international organization who is are working in hunger in Bangladesh. United Nations UNO for removing in Bangladesh hunger and SDGs are 230 plan remove Bangladesh in hunger. There are many people in Bangladesh are poor.
Hello, ma'am.
And sir, United Nations and the World Food Program WFP in launching a new 4-year country strategic plan of CSP 2017 to 2020, designed and strength and support the government of Bangladesh in achieving the Sustainable Development Goal SDGs of zero hunger by 2030. The CSP Bangladesh is budget at USD 201.6 million and reflect on evolution in WFP way of working from being a delivered a food assistance to an enabler to government to achieve national hunger solution. WFP will work to improve malnutrition to ensure access to food. Large opportunities of WFP's activities will still be decided to the direct distribution of food or each instance, particularly to food insecure population in Cox's Bazar and the Chittagong Hill Trucks. At the national level, the hunger project addressed two cultural conditions that from major barriers in ending hunger in Bangladesh. Gender discrimination is done through the National Guard's Child Advocacy from the Sujan Citizen of Good Governance, a country-wide advocacy movement, the preventing this situation. European Union, Democracy International, Dutch National, Postcode Lottery, and Dutch Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Development Cooperation for Impact, GIJ, Hilton Foundation, Interaction, the American Council for Voluntary International Action, LDS, Caritas, Thomas and Level Dorothy Foundation, United Nations Population, UNFPA, Water and Humans. Bangladesh different national and international NGOs are working in and removing and planning 2030 to remove our poor people, and they are working in poor people to remove hungry. This is my presentation.
This is a super presentation, ma'am. You are always regularly prepare such a presentation.
Yes, but not good.
No, ma'am, it's excellent, superb. Whatever you have done here, that is a really great one.
Okay, sir. That's for my session. Now we go to Patil sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shabnam. You have really present your presentation in a very fantastic manner. As being the ICT teacher, you really work very hard, and I really like the way you prepare the live food of ingredient you have shown me. It's really very good, but we can't eat now because we will have to wait while we have to travel to Bangladesh. Thank you very much.
Okay, welcome. Thank you. Okay, stop share my screen. Now we go to Patil sir.
Okay, thank you. Not taking too much time, I have to start my sessions here about the typical foods of our regions. Actually, we belong to India, but in a state of Maharashtra, again in a state of Maharashtra, our part is called Khandeshi part. For that food, we have to divide food in a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Especially in our region, ma'am, sir, we are not regularly prepared for breakfast. Yeah, breakfast is not our tradition. I think so. So for the breakfast, we have to prepare poha, shira, upama. Ma'am, you know about it very well.
No, no, I don't know Shiba and upama. I don't know.
Shira meant we took rava. Do you know the rava?
No.
Huh?
No.
There's a kind of wheat. We have to add their butter.
Yes.
Then as a
roti.
No, it's not a roti. It's not a roti. It's not a roti. It's a sweet dish, ma'am. It's a sweet dish. Shira, we call it often. Yeah, we have to prepare that shira on the day of festival. Not regularly, we have to prepare shira. Yeah, we call it that
shira makes sugar and water. Shira makes sugar and water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water and yeah. That is if you want sugar, you can add. If you want to add jaggery in a winter season, you can also add jaggery. Good. We call it good. Jaggery. Jaggery. Okay. And that upma. Upma, it's not a Maharashtrian, it's a South Indian. But we have to enjoy that upma also. That's a poha and shira. It's in our region. It's a favorite breakfast. We come to the lunch. We have to prepare a variety of lunch in on the basis of seasons. If we have a winter, summer, or rainy seasons, we have to prepare a different kind of food because the people of Maharashtra are foodie. The people of Maharashtra are foodie. They have to enjoy the food with spices. But in a region, dal bhat, it's a common.
Dal bhat.
Hello, am I on? Dal bhat, it's a
common.
Yeah, please carry on.
We prepare for lunch dal bhat is a regular. Dal chapati, dal bhat, or green vegetables, some kinds of beans, we have to also use for the lunch. On the special occasions, we have to use a puran puri. Puran puri is a kind of that. I think, sir, you know that chonge. My Islamic friend also made a chonge. It's a kind of. It's a sweet chapati.
In Moram.
You have to add sugar.
Yeah, in Moram.
Yeah. In the day of Moram, yeah. In the instead of that sugar, we have to use jaggery there. So that kind of sweet chapati, we have to prepare that puram. But we have to prepare it on that khapar.
Manda.
Hello, ma'am. Do you know the khapar?
No.
No, she
Hello.
No.
Ma'am, how you have to prepare that manda, the long chapati?
Yes.
On that earthen pot, na?
Pot.
Earthen pot. On earthen pot, na? On earthen pot, you have to prepare that manda. So just like that, it's a manda. It's a mixed roti, but we have to prepare a sweet roti on that earthen pot.
Shobnam, do you know Rumali chapati? Rumali?
Yes,
Rumali
I
roti?
like Rumali chapati. I like.
So like a same we have manda there. That is khapar manda.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, that is khapar. We have to use earthen pot. It's earthen pot. So
okay, sir.
Especially about it's a veg thing, and we have to add a non-veg thing. We have to prepare a chicken and mutton. Still, I didn't take a taste of beef yet. Yet I didn't take away because in our region we have to call that Gomata.
Yes.
Mean that cow is our mother, so it's auspicious for us. So we have to offering a puja. So that's why we didn't.
Patil sir.
Sorry.
But always.
No.
Beef is always not a cow mutton. No, it's not a cow mutton. Remember, beef means not cow mutton.
Okay.
It's again.
Okay, I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry, sir, but I consider it. Okay.
Remember, sir, sometime now the buffalo is there, then the party is also there in buffalo mutton, then the bull, then it is a cow. It's not a cow mutton. Remember, beef is not a cow mutton.
Yeah. It's a bull. Okay, it's a bull. No? It's a bull meat,
mutton, bull meat, and then we can also have that buffalo meat and then party meat. Yeah. It's a kind of.
Okay. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. Wait, still I didn't take this of.
You know that hela and yes.
Yeah. That ox.
Yeah.
Okay. Still I didn't take a taste of beef, but if I get a chance to eat it, I will definitely take a taste of it.
Yeah.
Okay, that is not the problem. It's a kind of dish. Okay, you can prepare it because in India.
Sir,
okay, sir.
Nowadays in pandemic situation due to COVID-19, each doctor has suggested to take that soup of pie soup and that non-veg. It's very useful because it's very hot and it is power temperature very high and
it's a very healthy.
Corona, so it's very useful because Corona
regarding the COVID-19. Doctor suggest. Doctor suggests the non-veg.
Because it's a very hot now. It's a very high. Their quantity is very high. It's a very hot. So if you take the soup, if you take the soup and mutton now, your body will maintain the temperature very high. It will be no area for coronavirus to live in. That is the reason behind that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I have to take a taste of it. Meat, means goat
Sir,
meat,
sir,
but still not.
sir,
I didn't take it. But while I
Patil
getting
sir.
a chance, I will definitely take it. Yeah.
Sir, our doctor
Because it's not for. Yeah.
Patil sir, in our Nasik district nowadays, due to the pandemic situation, our doctors suggested each and everyone that should keep one boiled egg to every that COVID-19 patient. Early in the morning, two boiled egg, in the morning and afternoon two boiled egg, and in the night two boiled egg. So that boiled egg has the ability to fight with the germs of coronavirus, and it is very effective. Very effective boiled egg. So even doctors.
Okay. I like it.
Those who are not. That is.
No, sir. That's not a matter.
6 minutes. 6 minutes is time is short. Because
Okay.
6 minutes time is over. For
Sir, please.
Okay. Okay. Lunch. For the lunch, we have to also use meat, goat meat, chicken, and eggs also. And for the dinner, hello, Sarji and ma'am, we have a common dish for the dinner that is called hodgepodge.
Khichdi.
We have a common lunch. We have a common dish for the dinner that is hodgepodge. Hodgepodge is a common dish for the Maharashtrian people, and kadi chawal. Ma'am, you that call it khichdi, and that kadi chawal is also. And specially, we have a special dish just like a bharit bakri. Bharit bakri, then fish curry, then veg pulao, non-veg kind of pulao, ठेचा and करण्याची भाकरी, and varan batti वांग्याची भाजी. That is my favorite one, sir.
Okay.
Varan batti वांग्याची भाजी. That is my favorite. Yeah. We have a common drink also, tea, coffee. But nowadays, we have a fashion to take a green tea. But in the summer season, we have to use mattha. Hello, ma'am. Do you know the mattha?
Yes.
Sir, you know about the mattha?
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Madam, do you know the mattha?
Yes.
Mattha is a buttermilk.
Yes.
We call it whey also.
Mattha.
Yeah.
Cha.
Mattha.
My father likes
chas.
mattha.
Yeah. And we have to also use the fruit juice. And for the sweet dish, we have to always use laddus. And especially, do you know, ma'am, that bundi? The laddu of bundi?
Yes.
Yeah. Because in the rural area, in the marriage ceremony, we have to prepare bundi at night.
Wow.
So, and morning, we have to serve in the pangat. We call it that pangat, means common lunch or a dinner. We use there bundi as a sweet dish, and we, the peoples of village, enjoy the bundi very much.
But nowadays we are lacking bundi because in our marriage ceremony now, so the bundi is vanished. No one can prepare bundi nowadays now.
But the taste of bundi is really I like very much, sir. Whenever I get a time to take a bundi, even I eat in the pangat and also take a few, take a bag of bundi with me also, and they have to. Yeah. We can say that is a complimentary for us. That is the typical food. And now we have to come to the time of zero hunger. I mentioned a special prayer for the God. No one sleeps without any food. Everyone, whatever is condition is there. But they have to take 2 times of meals. We call it pet bharke. With a full stomach. Every people has a right to take a full food for their stomach full food, we can say that. And I wish for the God and Allah's or Bhagwan's, no one can no one can sleep without food. Everyone should sleep
Yeah.
with the proper food, because of
Yes.
they will take it, so the malnutrition will be demolished from the India. We know that the India and Bangladesh,
Yeah,
the
definitely.
people, the most of the people in a average economic system, they come in this point, and around 30
Yeah.
crore people of taking only one time of meal.
Hmm.
That is the sad one
Yeah,
for
yeah. They
us.
can't get the
India,
food.
even the
Stomach full food.
even for the India and even for the
Hmm.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
So so
Hmm.
so with the God should accept my prayer. The
Yeah,
Allah should accept
inshallah,
my,
sir.
yeah,
Inshallah, sir.
on
Inshallah.
the
One day
roof
will
of
come.
humanity.
Yeah,
Yeah. So complete that prayer. I have to
yeah.
complete my sessions. So
Sir,
thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. You have
you,
to given me the golden
sir, you skip,
opportunity.
sir, you skip one important dish of your areas, Khandesh area. That is Ghosh Manda.
Yeah. That is a Ghosh Manda in there.
Yeah, everybody used
Okay.
to
Still,
in
I
marriage
didn't take.
ceremony. Yeah, no. Muslim marriage
Okay.
ceremony. If you take now, you will always take because it is a very delicious
Yeah.
Ghosh Manda.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
You can
I
take
took
a,
the taste of it, that
you
Ghosh
can,
Manda, that
sir.
Manda and mutton. Yeah.
Yeah. That is very famous dish of Khandesh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to took a taste of it, sir. I have to took a taste of it because that is my favorite one. If my Islamic friend have a marriage ceremony, I go there with a tiffin. I also take a lunch there, and after complete the lunch, I took a tiffin from them. So
Wow.
our
Nice
family
one.
also, especially my mother, like the taste of Islamic mutton.
Yeah, sir, definitely.
With the family like the
Because
Islamic mutton.
because we use different kinds of ingredients
Taste
now.
is different.
Taste is varies due to
Yeah.
the ingredients we are using. Yes. Nice, sir. Nice
It's
presentation.
we call
Nice
it that.
Nice presentation, sir, Patil sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
one.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
When I visit Maharashtra, now I am
Yeah.
hope I taste some foods yours.
Do come
Yeah,
India,
you're
ma'am.
most welcome, ma'am.
We will taste you everything, ma'am. Please.
You're most